Flagship smartphones nowadays come with less diversity and focus more on performance. But things are quite different when it comes to folding devices, as they combine powerful performance with new innovations. Foldable smartphones are arguably the most exciting new thing to happen to handheld devices in the past decade. They just dragged a new line and introduced the new dimension of future smartphones. Today, we want to introduce you to the top 5 best foldable smartphones of 2022. So let's unfold our list. No doubt Motorola keeps reminding fans of its Razr legacy from the feature phone era to the smartphone period. But the lack of profitable seasons Motorola follows the footprint of Z Flip 4 now. The big 6.7-inch POLED display and 2.7-inch expanded cover display just describe the diversity and the amenity of this phone. To talk about cover display, Motorola just developed a separate interface, more like Wear OS, for direct interplay without unfolding the phone. Unlike the predecessor, this time Motorola integrated the flagship Snapdragon chipset for a better user experience, and 3 decent cameras for solid picture output. On the other hand, the battery life may disappoint you. It has a 3500 mAh battery for the 6.7-inch display, but you can have a long day backup if you're used to the cover screen. On top of everything, you'll get the classic vibe and perception of the typical Motorola lineup. Honor just entered the foldable phone market with its new Magic vs. Ultimate in 2022. The first ever foldable with a 7.9-inch OLED display that features a 120Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling. Honor made it possible to design a thinner folding phone within 12.9mm compared to Z Fold 3. Therefore, it is so light and comfy for the in-hand tablet experience. The Magic UI 7, on the other hand, performs better and smoother for effective multitasking and app utilization. As always, we know Honor performs great in the camera section. And additionally, the powerful 8 Plus Gen processor from Qualcomm makes 54-megapixel picture nicer and keeps the application processing seamless. Magic vs. Ultimate carries a bumpy 5000 mAh of battery size. It's amazing to have this huge battery in this form factor for a long day power backup. There are speculations that Samsung's total sales of foldable smartphones this year are about 10 million units. Out of this number, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Flip 4 accounts for about 8 million units. So you could see how demandable the Flip 4 is. It is a neat, pocketable device you could purchase without breaking the bank. Samsung keeps the size of the primary and cover display identical as last year and manages to make that cover display more functional for quick operation without unfolding the phone. The Flip 4 is powered by the Android flagship processor, Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, to experience the best performance in Android phones. On top of that, the latest Android 12 adds an additional seamless operational experience. The 3 new primary, secondary, and selfie cameras give natural image quality and better rear camera selfies. A larger battery, which together with the efficient CPU has significantly increased its battery life than last year. Undoubtedly, the Flip 4 just opened a new aspect of the smartphone concept and era. Ever thought of shrinking the gap between your smartphone and computer? Well, Surface Duo 2 is the perfect answer to the question. Microsoft's current focus is on the Surface Duo 2 to get a foothold in the mobile segment. The Surface Duo 2 has 2 5.8-inch primary and secondary displays, which enlarge up to 8.3 inches for flexible computing operation. For safety, the display is covered with Gorilla Glass Victus. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 is installed on board to power the Surface Duo 2 for smooth operation and interaction for professional purposes. In addition, the experience of Microsoft's customized UI on Android 11 is way better than you can imagine. These experiences could be quite impossible if you don't have enough power backup. So, Microsoft added a 4449 mAh battery for a convenient experience and keeps your work running for a whole day. In short, the Surface Duo 2 will ultimately give you the experience of a pocket PC in a compact form factor. Samsung Galaxy Fold 4 is the most powerful and convenient smartphone in the world of foldables. For watching content and easy multitasking, the Fold 4 features a massive 7.6-inch ultra-thin glass screen, which folds into a 6.2-inch smartphone for easy portability. As expected, the flagship Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor powers the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, so you can get top-notch performance with this device. You will also get the latest Android 12L version, which is pre-installed, and it can do most things better, especially in multitasking, flex mode, DeX mode, and any advanced operations. Moreover, the One UI performs smoothly and comes with a stylish optimization look. In terms of cameras, Z Fold 4 has a triple rear camera arrangement, which is capable of delivering similar images to Galaxy S22. To talk about the battery backup, Z Fold 4 has the same size battery capacity as last year, but the more efficient processor and updated software integration let it hold the power for a full working day. In short, it's the most powerful, productive, convenient, and dynamic smartphone that you can only have from Samsung. These are the top 5 best foldable smartphones of 2022. What's your number 1? Tell us why. Would be great to hear from you. So comment below and share with your friends. Smash the like button and the subscribe button and turn on the notifications. Till the next surprising video, stay safe.